I want to talk to you about lessons 2 and 3 in Premiere Pro. First, I know these lessons look long. I know the language feels technical, and I know that can make it feel overwhelming. Take a breath. You are not expected to master everything in these chapters. For lesson 2, your main job is simple. You are learning how Premiere Pro is organized, how projects are set up, how the interface works. You are not memorizing everything. You are not becoming an expert this week. You are reading and working through the material with a purpose. Your purpose is to answer the questions in the Google Doc. That means you are hunting for understanding. You are looking for what helps you complete the questions. Move steadily. Do not get stuck trying to understand every single detail. Now for lesson 3. The only thing you need to turn in from lesson 3 is the Theft Unexpected graphic with your voiceover added. That is the goal. Follow the steps, create the graphic, record your voiceover, export it correctly. You do not need to build something cinematic. You do not need to understand every panel perfectly. You need to complete the required task. These lessons are about exposure and familiarity. The more you move through the software, the more comfortable it becomes. To summarize, lesson 2 is about learning the layout and answering the Google Doc questions. Lesson 3 is about completing the Theft Unexpected graphic with voiceover. Move forward, do not freeze. Progress matters more than perfection. You can do this.